Having Wi-Fi or internet connection problems on your Windows PC. An outdated or corrupted network driver could be the cause. In this guide, I'll show you how to update your network driver using Device Manager. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. Once it opens, find Network Adapters and expand the category. You'll usually see your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter listed here. Look for names that mention wireless, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, LAN, or a network chipset. Right-click the correct adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for a compatible driver and install it if one is available. Follow any instructions that appear on screen. If Windows says the best driver is already installed, check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for updates. Also look under Optional Updates for network driver updates. If the automatic search doesn't help, visit your computer or network adapter manufacturer's official website. Find your exact model, download the correct network driver, and install it following the manufacturer's instructions. After installing the driver, return to Device Manager and open the adapter's properties. Select the driver tab and check the provider, date, and version. Then confirm that device status shows the adapter is working properly. Restart your PC if necessary, then test your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. If the problem started after a driver update, you can also check the driver tab for rollback driver. Yeah, that can be useful when a new driver causes connection problems. And that's how to update a network driver in Device Manager. Start with automatic search, check Windows Update, and use the official manufacturer driver when needed. So make sure you select the correct adapter before changing anything.